name's Kirsten Berber, and I'm the principal of Berryton Elementary School.
And I'm Laura Hurla. I'm the assistant principal.
Berryton Elementary is our most populated elementary school, and this bond would bring important updates to bring better support to our students.
Additional classrooms will be created to give our students more room to learn and succeed.
Renovated restrooms and a cafeteria expansion will help keep up with daily needs.
Outside, the east parking lot will be expanded, and drop-off and pickup areas will be improved to make traffic safer and smoother for families.
Also, like all of our elementary schools, Berryton will see playground improvements for accessibility, including turf, shade, and accessible equipment so every child can play.
At Berryton, we have an intervention time where all students get tailored reading instruction. Some grades operate more than 12 groups at a time. Thus, we need the space to continue to provide the best instruction possible. For more details about what is included in the Shawnee Heights Bond, visit our website at usd450.net.